Hello, City of Detroit. You all know me, I'm Mayor Mike Dugan, and the reason for my being here with you today is to convince you to choose me as your leader among this great city. We should discuss the most significant challenges among our community and how we, as a collaborative team, can move forward to solve them. However, first and foremost, I must bore you about myself in case you forgot from my last campaign. I graduated in 1983 from the law school at University of Michigan. I have served the community over the past 32 years with a variety of different hats, but with the end goal to improve our community. Initially, I began my career as an assistant to the Wayne County Council in 1986. Then, from 1987 to 2001, I was Deputy County Executive. Afterwards, I joined the Detroit Medical Center as the Chief Executive Officer from 2004 until recently, where I was able to improve various concerns, but most specifically their budgeting. With my great team, we were able to turn around a potential bankruptcy back to a profiting company. Now that I have put you all to sleep by listening to me babble about myself, let's talk about what you can expect to see from me as far as mayor duties. I will facilitate and ensure that all of our laws will be followed, whether it's from complex corporation permits or improving our community. My most ambitious goal is to generate more peace within this city, in which return it would maximize its true potential. In addition, I will take close looks upon various processes to ensure that we are achieving the greatest potential with all of our resources. Lastly, I'm aiming to be your leader among Detroit citizens and the council chairs. Nationally, Detroit is known as a fallen city, but that doesn't mean we have to accept it. Detroit's population in 2013 was almost 700,000 residents, and we've seen an excessive number of violent acts, one too many at that. Now, to further discuss what violence is, according to the statistic report assessed by the FBI, what constitutes violence is murder, rape, assault, and robbery. Detroit had 14,504 crimes in 2013, and 2,072 violent acts per 100,000 residents living here, according to the FBI. In addition to the violent crimes, Detroit had seen 316 murders in 2013, which is a rate of 45 per 100,000 people. Now, a lot of you may be wondering, well, what does this rate even mean? We all know Detroit is dangerous to a certain extent. The point of these rates shows the prevalence of violence in the city. I'll give you an example of how pertinent this data can be. Take Chicago with their population of 2 million people, and look at their total murder numbers. It was 414 in the year of 2013, the same year that Detroit was assessed. But if Chicago had the prevalence rate that we had, then their total murder numbers would have skyrocketed to 1,228. We need to fix this problem, and we must come together as a community to find the changes that must happen. I want to help the city of Detroit turn itself around and find that beauty that was overwhelming 100 years ago. And with your help, I know we can do it. My solutions for this huge problem cannot be achieved without the city's support. First, the leaders you have elected need to listen to the citizens of Detroit. No matter what size complaint it is, we will do our best to fix it. The problematic neighborhoods that are smaller or larger that need rid of gang prevalence need to be pursued, and we need to improve our youth's future. I believe we can do this by decreasing gang activity with the assistance of generating more police force. Also, we can improve our after-school youth activities by constructing more availability, which will guide them away from the gang activity paths. Our youth is our future, and we must help them be better than the people who are trying to guide them wrongly. All of these actions would help decrease further gang violence and gang-related crimes. In return, it would improve the quality of our city, and it would lower the crime rate and murder rates. Now, we've discussed several important things today. I want your vote, and I want you to choose me because of my greatest intentions to improve this city and its problems. As mayor of Detroit, I feel that I am the best man for the job, and with your help from the community, I know we can improve the life of all the residents in this great city. We must generate more availability of police force. We must dismantle the gangs and the growing violence within our city. I believe that we can accomplish this through the assistance of more police force and constructing more youth programs to guide them to be great Detroit citizens. Most importantly, we as the leadership of the city must come together and listen to one another. As we come together more in the future with our citizens, I know we can accomplish anything. Thank you.